Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Gigabyte Z890 AORUS Elite X ICE motherboard. This motherboard uses Intel's newest Z890 chipset and is compatible with all of the latest Core Ultra processors on the LGA1851 socket. It features an 8-layer 2x copper PCB and Gigabyte's digital twin 16+1+2 phases VRM solution and 80 amps SPS for superb reliability and stability. It comes with Gigabyte's D5 Bionic Cursor for infinite memory performance, an auto overclocking software called AORUS AI Snatch, and AI Perf Drive for customized BIOS presets. Expansion slots include one PCI 5x16 slot with UD slot X, one PCI 4x4 slot, and one PCI 4x1 slot. It also comes with 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting XMP memory modules with speeds of DDR5 9500+. For storage, you get 4 SATA ports and one PCI Gen 5 M.2 slot, as well as a total of 5 M.2 PCI Gen 4 slots. The motherboard features a quick release and screwless design with the Easy Latch Plus and Easy Latch Click for the M.2 slots, as well as the PCIe Easy Latch Plus for easy installation and removal of GPUs. Other features include the Realtek 7.1 HD audio and the support for Wi-Fi 7, the 2.5 gigabit LAN, the Bluetooth 5.4, as well as the Thunderbolt 4 port. To test this motherboard, we'll be using an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K along with some nice DDR5 8800 RAM from Kingston. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 Super to see how the whole system performs. So let's not waste any time, put this into our test rig, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Gigabyte Z890 AORUS Elite X ICE motherboard. It supports all the Intel Core Ultra processors on the LGA1851 socket. Let's take a look inside. We'll have a look at the accessories underneath this box. Okay, here we have two of the thermal probes. We have the Wi-Fi antennae there. This is the Easy Plug Wi-Fi 7 antenna with the magnetic base. We have a micro speaker cable here. We have one set of the SATA cables for your SSDs. And we have the Gigabyte G connector, an installation guide, some Gigabyte AORUS stickers, and an information leaflet with all the Z890 motherboards from Gigabyte. Alright, here we have the motherboard. This is the Gigabyte Z890 AORUS Elite X ICE motherboard. And it's an all white motherboard, and it comes with some nice heat spreaders along the top here for your VRM MOSFETs and also the I/O hood. And then we have the XL guard there for your heat sinks for your SSDs and also for your M.2 PCI Gen 5 SSDs right here. This is the LGA1851 socket supporting all the latest Intel Core Ultra processors. Let's take a look at the back. We've got some AORUS logos here, very nice, and the ultra durable PCIe armor to protect the PCIe slot for your graphics card there. Alright, we'll start at the top right here. We have two PCIe 8-pin power connectors here for your motherboard. They have two 4-pin fan headers here, a 3-pin ARGB, and we have the switches for your power on, reset, and the quick Q flash BIOS. The diagnostic LED, and we have the 24-pin ATX power connector here. We have two more of the fan headers, 4-pin fan headers, and we have 2 temperature probe headers here. The USB Type E connector here, and the internal HDMI output, interesting. USB 3, and 4 SATA ports for your SSDs. And then we have the pinouts for your power on, power buttons, reset buttons, and things like that. And this is where the G connector goes. I've got 3 more of the 4-pin fan headers. We have 2 USB headers here, TPM, and we have a 4-pin and a 3-pin, 2 3-pin ARGB headers. Okay, and audio connector there. There's your WEMA caps. For expansion slots, we have one of the PCI 5x16 slot for your graphics card, and then one PCI 4x4 slot, and one PCI 4x1 slot right there. Okay, and then we have the easy latch for heatsink, and also the easy latch click. And I'll show you how easy it is. You just kind of unhook here, and this heatsink comes off. Very easy to put back in place. You just line it up, and it kind of slots in place, and you just hear that click. You're ready to go. Also true with the large heat shield for your other SSDs. You just unlatch here, and this whole heat shield comes off. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the PCI Gen 4 M.2 SSDs there. Again, easy to put back. You just line it up, and just locks in place like that. Very nice. Also notice this button here. This is for the PC EZIE release, which allows you then to easily remove and install your graphics card. Notice there, if I press this here, that comes off there for easy removal. Here we have 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting XMP memory modules with speeds of up to DDR5 9500+. Very nice. Alright, let's take a look at the I/O. We'll start off at this end. We have 4 USB 2s, and then 4 of the USB 3.2s. We have 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2.2, and this is the Thunderbolt 4 port there. We have 2.5 gigabit LAN, and this is the Wi-Fi Easy plug for your Wi-Fi 7. And they have audio connectors for line out, mic in, and SPDIF. This motherboard looks very nice with an all-white design, and is suitable for any all-white PC builds. We'll be testing this motherboard using an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K along with DDR5 8800 RAM CU DIMMs. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 Super to see how this whole system performs. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing of the Gigabyte Z890 AORUS Elite X ICE motherboard. the Gigabyte Z890 AORUS Elite X Ice is one of the first all-white Z890 motherboards that we've seen on the market, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It comes with a digital twin 16+1+2 phases VRM solution and 80 amps SPS with premium chokes and capacitors, giving you excellent power efficiency and stability. During our test, we managed to get some really good scores in all of our benchmarks. We got a Cinebench 2024 score of 2,322 multi-core and 142 single-core. For PC Mark 10, we got a score of 8,933 and a score of 16,597 for Pass Mark 11. For UL's Procyon Video Editing Benchmark, we got a score of 10,815 and a score of 212 for the AI Computer Vision benchmark. For 3D Mark Nomad Steel and Speedway, we got decent scores of 6,637 and 7,518 respectively. And finally, for Port Royal and TimeSpy, we got a score of 18,518 and 25,919 respectively. And for those who love extra performance, you should try the Gigabyte D5 Bionic Corsair for infinite memory performance. There's also the auto overclocking software called AORUS AI Snatch and the AI Perf drive for customized BIOS presets. Overall, the Gigabyte Z890 AORUS Elite X Ice is an excellent all-white motherboard. It offers decent performance, great aesthetics, and is absolutely packed with some amazing features. If you're planning to upgrade and build an all-white PC using Intel's Core Ultra Series 2 processors, then the Gigabyte Z890 AORUS Elite X Ice motherboard is the one you want. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Gigabyte Z890 AORUS Elite X Ice motherboard. It's a fantastic all-white motherboard featuring the latest Z890 chipset and supports all the Intel Core Ultra processors on the LGA1851 socket. It comes packed with a load of features and it's perfect for any system builder who wants to build an all-white PC. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.